Hey guys, my orchard videos. Well, the telehandler here to unload the mini excavator. It should be here shortly. So it's pretty heavy. It's about just I think it's 2,500 pounds. So too heavy for the tractor to lift up because I have the bucket loader. If it was a forklift style loader, yes, it'd be handy, but we don't have that, so we're using this. Pretty cool little machine. So yeah. I've operated one like this before, but a little bit bigger. So yeah, so it's interesting stuff. So, anyways, can't do too much here because too many looky-loo neighbors and such. But yeah, all right, guys. Maybe do a little bit of review on this little machine here a little bit later. Here's the rental company there, Norvell Rentals. They've been pretty good to me over the years. And there we go. So we're waiting. Okay, maybe a little bit more. We'll be right back. See you. Hey guys, well here is the machine. So I'm just gonna unbox it. I don't have to be showing you guys all this stuff, but my phone is about to die as always. So anyways, we're gonna take this thing apart, try to put it in the garage here, but it's so damn heavy it broke the damn 2x6s. So anyways, we'll take this apart, see how it goes. Alrighty, see ya.